What's up guys, I'm here at this neighborhood Walmart. I'm gonna head on in, wish me luck, hopefully I find something good. I'll catch you guys inside. Later.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now.
What's up guys, so I'm here at this neighborhood Walmart and I wasn't expecting to find anything. As you can see, you know, it doesn't look like there's much, but then I started looking and look what I found. And this guy, so you have this guy. Nice, been looking for this one. Nice little prelude, definitely taking that one. Here's the Chevelle. This one, this Gold Shaker. Here's a nice little McLaren Speedtail, definitely taking that one. Here's a Jesco, definitely taking that one. Take that one. There's that one over there. Nothing else. Up here. Let's see what they have over here. Here they have this one. I already have a couple of those, so I'm going to leave that one behind. And this one. The Speed Racers. Nice. Look what I found, guys. Very, very cool. Not the Super, unfortunately, but it's still a cool casting. Definitely gonna take it. Now this guy, which I already picked up yesterday. I have this guy. This one I already picked up yesterday. Haha, nice. Check this out, guys. Definitely taking that one. This one I picked up yesterday. Now this guy here. Oops. We have this guy here. And this guy. Alright. Not a bad day. Not a bad day. Check this out. It's really cool. Here's another GMC Cyclone. Already have a couple of them, so I'm going to leave it for somebody else. There's this one here. Here's a Mazda. Taking one. Here's the another bat plane in blue. Take that one. See what they have down here. Nice. Check this out, guys. This is yeah, still E-case. So what else do they have? A Bronco. I already have that one. I already picked this one up. Ooh, check this one out, guys. Nice. Very, very cool. Here's another Honda Civic. Man, today's my lucky day. Doesn't look like I'm gonna find a Super, but I'm still finding some pretty cool cars. Check this one out, guys. Very cool. Here's this one. Nice. Check this one out, guys. Haha. Nice. Lucky day. Lucky day. Check this one out. Ooh. Check this one out, guys. Nice. Definitely taking that one. I'm definitely taking this one. Let's see what they have down here. Already picked this one up. Scooby-Doo Mystery Machine. Pretty cool. Check this one out. Here they have the Surfer Dude. Here they have the Card Diasada. Here they have this cool little Valentine's bug. Definitely gonna take it. This one I already picked up yesterday. Gonna leave it behind. This guy. Now this one. Here's another bug. Definitely taking it. Check this one out. Don't mind if I do. Check this one out. Here's another Card Diasada. Here's this guy here. Here's this guy. The Stinger. Pretty cool. This is a little duck and roll. This one glows in the dark. This one's pretty cool. Take that one. Here's a Civic. So definitely gonna take that one. There's a Mazda. There's this one. This guy here. Local motoring. There's this one. Take this one. What else do they have here? Erkenstein or Erkenstein, whatever. I already have this one. Definitely gonna take another one of these. And here's this one. Ooh, nice. A gasser. Definitely gonna take that one. And there's our vet. And that's pretty much it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Have a blessed weekend. Take care. Bye-bye.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you